It was close to the mountain too, and I'm refuse to ask him about it, I refuse. Right now that do me well too because, and would you believe that I ended up lending another person? Did we agree on a payment plan or something? So I'm gonna assume you saw the title before clicking on the video, right? Okay, so that means you know exactly what this video is gonna be about. So if you're interested in hearing my views and opinions, continue watching it to the end. I will say to the end, to the very last second. See? If you skip, you might not get what I'm trying to say or what I'm saying. So I wouldn't advise that. Watch the video all the way through. Anyways, let's get right into it. Oh, hold on there. You see, if you end up liking this video, you can always click on the channel icon. I don't know if I just say there or this or wherever I want it. Yeah, just click on the channel icon and there will be a lot more goodies for you guys. You see me? Alright, so I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I get straight to the point. Right to the point. The needle point, the pen point, the pencil point, whatever point, I get straight to the point. You see me? I always wonder why as the Jamaicans them get paid, them send basically all of it back home in Jamaica. When you ever keep back and wonder it, what them a try so them a do save? Well, nothing is wrong with sending a thing to the account back home, Nothing wrong with that. You see me? Because if push come to shove, that's where you're gonna end up in the end, right? None of we now left with country going to another man country could basically slave just to give them it back when payday come. You see me? We not do that. And a lot of us Jamaicans here in Cayman, we work very hard in the sun, especially the ones who do landscaping and construction. And let me tell you, this is a Cayman sun and a joke thing. Cayman sun and a play thing. So when you are go out there in the sun and work so hard, when payday come, you can treat yourself to a little one beer. Buy a little 6-pack and you sit down and you drink by yourself if you don't have no friends, or you link up with one and two of your brethren, have a little drink, have a little talk. You see me? Or even treat yourself to something nice. You see me? If you like lobster, you can buy yourself a lobster. If you like shrimp, you can buy yourself a shrimp. You see me? Treat yourself. But at the end of the day, it's wherever you rest your head at night time, that's home. Here? Anywhere you rest your head when night come, that is home. So you should always treat it like a home and live comfortably. We only have one life to live, We only have one life to live. Well, I only know about myself because some of y'all believe in life after death. Not me. One life I believe in. One life to live. When you dead and gone. Nothing is wrong with opening an account in the country that you're in. You see me? Nothing wrong with that. And just save a little thing. Even 50 or even 100 every time you get paid. Or if you get paid by the week or bi-weekly. Open a little account. Yeah, open a little account and drop a little thing in there. And get yourself a debit card or something. So say at any given time you have a card can access your little funds. You see me? Talking about card, I've never met a Jamaican who set up online banking or even have a Visa debit card for the same account where them send every single dollar where them make go back to. Yeah, I've never met a Jamaican on this island who has one of those. Alright, pre this now. You see, every single Friday evening from 3 o'clock to Saturday night, every single Western Union and JN Money branch full. You line it long like so. Yeah man, you line it long like so. Yo, it's like the money hot and it can't stay in their hand. Yeah man, like when I touch hot pot. When I touch a hot pot, I have to let it go quick. Yeah, the money hot, they can't hold on pan it. So as the money reaching in their hand, that have to ship off. Yeah, here comes Monday morning now. Bright and early, them go work broke. And I beg and borrow money from them co-workers. And I trust food till the next pay bill. What kind of style them there? Bro, we do the same work. Got paid the same exact time, which sometimes, they're getting higher paid than you, they might get more money than you too, And you tell me, say, 2 days later, you broke and no money. Yo, just ask them that question there. Yeah, man, just ask them how them for broke 2 days after you get paid. And see if they don't make it seem like the whole world upon their shoulders. Yeah, just ask them, man. Them always going like them alone have bills. You see me? Them alone have bills, problems, and responsibilities. The thing is, doing is to choose some people never yet talk about them problems. And them always wear a smile and go on like everything good. Them swear think that person then have no responsibilities, no problems. You see me? They swear think that person is just a work and save their money and have no use at all for it. You can imagine if one day them drop down out the road and have to go doctor. The amount of please call me the amount of please call me messages they would have started said because yo, told them do the thing that people credit them money I put on them phone, brother. Me don't know how Flow and Digital not take back the number them. Swear. You borrow money from me last year, June, because his child in Jamaica, he never have no lunch money for go to school. So when him link me, yo, I need to hesitate, brother. I need to hesitate. Right how me say, yo, link me. It was close to the mountain too, and you know, say bills time I forward up, right? Would you believe up to this day, the youth not say a word to me about it? I refuse to ask him about it, I refuse. Right now that do me well too because, yo, I haven't been working since this whole pandemic started, which was March 16 to be exact. And would you believe that I ended up lending another person money a few months after that? Maybe about 2 months, 3 months after that. 2 days in borrowed fine. Him say he wanted to borrow for 2 days until him get paid. Because I think it was pay week. 2 days, and it took me 1 month to get back all of the money when I lend him. Yo, nothing me hate like when I lend somebody money and then pay me back in pieces. Yo, when me say, like nigga, I never loaned you my money in pieces, so you pay me back like that for? Did we agree on a payment plan or something? Can't recall. We never sign we never sign nothing and say yo, payment plan. When me forget about the money. So I do that. See, the world went on pause the other day. Yeah, the world went on pause for almost 3 months. And a lot of them had to leave this country. Reason being, them never have shit to survive, not even a month without pay. Them not have nothing here. I hope them learn a lesson still from this. Yeah man, I hope them learn the importance of saving and also having access to your money at any given time. Because yo, enough of them not saving, Enough of them man as Friday come, Friday night. They gonna buy front. Yeah. Yeah man. Yo, them money no easy, brother. Them money I spend some $4 and some $500 on a one-on-one. Yeah man, just to say them have sex with a Spanish. Yeah. Also remember, it's not what you make but what you save. See? So my question to you, my viewers, is would you live in a country and have all your money in another country? Drop your answers and thoughts in the comments below. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up as well. Thanks for watching and I hope I never bored you in this one. Much respect and guidance is it. See you on the next one. Wait there, that makes sense to you? That don't make no sense, right? I should have said, you will see me on the next one. Makes a lot more sense, right? Alright, big up for yourself. I know some idiot, y'all don't have to tell me. I know. Blessings.